I want you to watch the box.
905.
Yeah, copy, 905. I want you to watch. All we're doing is giving it oxygen at this point. If you remember, guys, you're up there. If you saw a fire and it went out, or you think it went out and it got dark like this, and the heat got intense, you better be thinking of a couple of things. First of all, retreating to a safe position, which is lower than the space that you're on, as well as calling for coordinated ventilation. You've got an orange glow happening. It's starting to build again. The fire didn't go out. The fire was there. With a thermal imaging camera, you'll be able to see that, pick it up very clearly. As well, you probably start to see flickers of rollover above. Feel the heat in here now? Okay. It's a little different than yesterday. Crack the hatch.
Hatch crack.
What number are you on the nozzle?
6.
You're student 6? Awesome. Good stuff. We're going to thin it out in here again, right? Get it into its flammable range. The proper oxygen, proper fuel mixture, and an ignition source, which is our burning barrel. Right? The barrel itself, if you could take that out of the equation, the roll over the top, and see the rolls right in front? Here it comes. Here it comes. Those are pockets of gas self-igniting. That fire's not there. Close the doors! Close the hatch!
Hatch closed.
Ready?
Yep.
Take this out. One more time. One more time.